Hello, word explorers. Today, we're diving into the magical world of words, and our special word is abrogate. So, what does abrogate mean? Abrogate is like being a word superhero. It means putting an end to something, like a law, agreement, or even a rule. Imagine you have a magical ruler that can erase things, like a superhero with a giant pencil. When you use that ruler to erase a rule or law, you're abrogating it. It's like saying, no more of this. Let's see abrogate in action. The teacher decided to abrogate the no snack rule for today's class party. Here, abrogate means the teacher canceled the rule about no snacks, so everyone could enjoy them. The friendly dragon and the brave knight agreed to abrogate their silly feud and become friends. In this case, abrogate means they decided to end their disagreement and be friends. The king decided to abrogate the old law and make a new one. Here, abrogate means the king canceled the old rule to create a new one. And there you have it. Abrogate is our magical word for today. It's like using a giant eraser to say, no more of that. Thanks for joining our word adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and learning new words. Bye-bye.